Alright guys, welcome back to 3Style. So today is September 22nd and the market just closed about 12 minutes ago. So today we're going to be analyzing Dave & Buster's, ticker symbol PLAY. But before that, you know that I like to analyze the general market looking at the SPY, because sometimes that could pull down any stock as how it's going. But if you want to skip this and go straight onto Dave & Buster's, there will be a timestamp somewhere on the screen. But yeah, looking at the general market, guys, it was about 10 trading days ago or so that I said I predicted a downtrend right here, and that's because I look at my HMA 14 line, this blue dotted line, and you see if the candles are forming over it, it's a buy. If they're forming under it, it's a sell, right? And so over here they're starting to form under it, and the reason I predicted a downtrend, not just like a few days of losses, was because looking at the 6 months, every time the market does go down, it touches the SMA 50, this purple line right here. I'm trying to highlight it. It's not getting highlighted. There it is. And so when it does take a break, it hits it and then it bounces. It uses it as a support. Over here, missed it by a little. So that's what I was thinking, but it dipped way under. And the reason why is I actually forgot that it does that around September or November, one of those two, or late September, early October, or early October, late November. Which, if you look at the dates up here, that's when it happened last year. So yeah, traditionally the market takes a dip one of those months just to recover a little bit from how much it's gained, you know. So that was normal. And so looking at the market now, it looks like it is bouncing back. So that's a good thing. Now to go on to play, guys, or Dave & Buster's. So this is the 3 months. Now looking at the MACD, right? It just turned up positive, which is this little momentum here. Now it is kind of all over the place, so I'm gonna look at the 6 months after to show you more of a real trend than looking at my fast signals. Like here's the HMA 14, the blue dotted line, right? Now as you can see, it's just too much. Yeah, it is being accurate. You know, you would buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, and buy here. But most of you guys are not gonna want to do that in every 3 or 4 days, right? You're not a fast swing trader like me, so we're gonna ignore this. The RSI looks healthy, by the way. We're gonna go look into the 6 months. Now in the 6 months, you see the SMA 21. This is a more popular mid-term trading line. So if they're overall forming under, you sell and you don't buy till they're overall forming over it, which seems like it's about to start now. You can tell because it's swooping, right? It had a general down direction and it's starting to swoop up, right? Besides that, let me show you this right here, the year. On the yearly, right? Here's the SMA 50 again. I told you guys the purple line, it's healthy or unhealthy. If stocks are forming over it, it's healthy. And over here you would have taken profit. And now it's unhealthy. So you would have saved yourself about 3 months of losing your cash down or your capital going lower and lower. And with this much capital here, you would have entered this amount here because it did just cross over it again. Not only that, but looking at the SMA 21, the white line, if it's over the SMA 50, then that's also a good indicator. And over here it crossed under it too. That's also a very common one. If you look at the 5 years, guys, you see how accurate it is with the SMA 50. You see that? It's very accurate. So not every stock is like this, but some are traded that way with their own certain signals. And it seems like this one sticks very well to the SMA the SMA 50, the purple line. So yes, guys, right now would be the time to get back in because it just crossed over it again. It took this big dip here and now it's regenerating here. Not only that, this week the market was going down and it was still slightly going up, guys. So yeah, that's my my prediction on it. That's my analysis on it. My analysis on it. So give a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you can. Thank you.